Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some amazing new DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. They're simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. Guys, look! So King of Christmas sent me over this package that I can't wait to share with you guys. Oh my goodness, I have been holding on to this for such a long time and I can finally show you guys. I'm not going to be doing a full unboxing today, but I will give you a sneak peek, and then later on I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to use this for my Christmas background. I'll leave the link for King of Christmas below. I hope you guys are just as excited for Christmas as I am. So yeah guys, let's get into these DIYs. I'll be starting off with this clear plate from Dollar Tree. I'll also be using some crushed glass as well as clear quartz that I picked up from my local craft store. Here I'm just pouring out some of that crushed glass. I won't be gluing it down right now. I'm only going to be using it to outline my design. Right here, I'm adding the clear quartz. I poured off the crushed glass and set it aside for later. This imitation gold leaf is from Amazon. Next, I'll be using this 3-dimensional Mod Podge. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? For my next DIY, I'll be using this glass container from the Dollar Tree. Here I'm using more of that gold leaf that I used in the first DIY. Now I'm just going to add some Mod Podge and some iridescent fine glitter. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.